Debonair is a conglomerate specializing in manufacturing and exporting outerwear, home textiles, and bag and luggage. The group emerged in the year 2010 and has now turned into a sustainable powerhouse at the summit of success, owing to the illuminating counsel of the founding chairman, late Muhammad Nurun Nabi FCA, the enterprising leadership of the managing director, Muhammad Ayub Khan FCA, and the indispensable contribution of the current chairman, architect Nayara Noor. Having expanded into 11 running concerns, Debonair has held an ironclad commitment to sustainability since inception and is continuously pursuing such efforts. Its corporate office is located at Mohakali DOHS and factories are located at Ashulia, Shawar, Shalna, Ghazipur and Bhaluka, Mymensingh. Debonair has a binding dedication to sustainability, root and branch. It boasts some of the largest and most technologically advanced facilities in Bangladesh, all of which is intertwined with their commitment to green environment, plentiful eco-friendly features, and a constant endeavor to lower carbon footprint. Debonair Padding and Quilting Solution, DPQSL Home Textiles, Debonair Limited and Orbitex Knitwear Limited have achieved a LEED Platinum certification from US Green Building Council. Over the years, the group has garnered numerous prestigious awards and accolades, complying with local and international standards of environmental and ethical practices. Debonair has its global export footprints across more than 62 countries. World-renowned buyers work with Debonair in confident partnerships due to its impressive accomplishments. Having similarities with woven, knit and heavy knit production processes in many areas, Debonair is committed to the 3R procedure: reducing, reusing and recycling during production. In this age of fourth industrial revolution, Debonair has advanced its industrial automation process to reach novel heights through digital transformation of industrial engineering and technology. One of the first innovative industrial model which is achieving the benchmark of Industry 4.0. Debonair produces all the insulation or padding and fusing materials necessary in-house using sophisticated high-tech padding and quilting lines. It has excellent setups for producing all kinds of trims with a monthly capacity of 6 million yards and 2.5 million pieces depending on the design and size. Using Jacquard machines, 500,000 sets of high-quality ribs are produced depending on design and size. Well equipped with in-house printing facilities, Debonair can apply up to 25 colors in printing. It prints more than 500,000 pieces per month. It is also self-reliant in embroidery facilities with a capacity to produce more than 27 billion stitches per month depending on design and application using Japanese machines. At the weaving unit, Debonair is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery. It accomplishes warping, sizing and weaving with the use of the world's best technology. The produced fabrics are both used in-house and exported as well. Debonair's professional excellence in merchandising elevates and speeds up production. Its merchandising and sourcing teams ensure proper pricing and accurate sourcing. The design and development team exemplifies expertise, shaping the customer's interests into matchless design. Its performance at the design desk culminates in the finest products that rival and advance contemporary fashion. The cutting-edge browseware and CLO software is used for displaying the latest fashion designs virtually to customers. Here, possibilities are endless and the creations are classy and sophisticated. Efficient sample sections check if each piece of apparel is an identical reproduction of the samples approved by the buyers. Debonair has a top-of-the-line buyer-accredited laboratory where the shade of every lot of finished fabrics is invariably verified with data color and brand color matching machines. Besides, wash tests, pilling tests, color fastness tests, shrinkage tests, light tests, and many other contemporary and highly sophisticated lab tests are done here. Debonair's continuous improvement team brainstorms every idea, amplify one another's strengths, and work in synchrony with the ideal of premium production that yields the finest fashion. Safe, secure, fast and compliant multi-layer racking systems are installed in such a warehouse. Inventory is managed systematically to ensure flawless and faster delivery of goods within the strict time frame. Utilizing the most contemporary CAD/CAM, Debonair obtains patterns and markers and then uses fourth-generation auto-spreading machines and auto-cutters to cut fabrics, ensuring optimum usage of fabrics. Debonair has developed its own DSP, or Debonair Standard Production System, through extensive industrial research and training. At Debonair, the production floors are unique examples of industrial engineering. One of the best features of DSP is that, for critical modules in sewing operations such as in panel and pocket sewing, Debonair adopts the specialized template unit approach as a unique complement to its sewing lines. Those complementary units use the latest laser cutting and automatic sewing machines to let line operations run with speed, preventing the piling up of inventories at critical sewing points. This adaptation has impressively contributed to attaining Debonair's high level of efficiency and productivity. Debonair utilizes process-critical high-end computerized equipment and machines such as ultrasonic seam sealing, auto button attaching, auto welting machines, and many others. In collaboration with a renowned client, Debonair has made it possible to produce high-quality woolen products. Presently, with 140 production lines, about 1.4 million pieces of outerwear products are produced here every month, with an average SMV of 50. Debonair produces all kinds of heavy winter jackets and lightwear or summer jackets, and transitional as well as non-transitional jackets like AOP jacket, bomber jacket, bonded jacket, fake down jacket, high-vis jacket, hunting jacket, hybrid jacket, overshirt jacket, padding jacket, PU jacket, quilting jacket, rainwear, reel down jacket, seam sealing jacket, Sherpa jacket, ski jacket, soft shell jacket, suede jacket, transitional jacket, welded jacket, woolen coats, functional pants, swimwear, and diverse array of bottoms for all seasons in casual and fashion categories and for all age and gender groups. Debonair is applying contemporary technology of moisture control. Garments are kept in dehumidified condition for a certain period in the packaging section to prevent them from gathering moisture and mold, as well as quarantine for raw material warehouses. After ensuring that the quality meets the AQL 0 rejection level, Debonair ships these products around the world. In its green factories, Debonair Padding and Quilting Solution is manufacturing and exporting home textile and outdoor product lines where high-end design and texture merge to cater to international buyers. Furthermore, it has inaugurated a bag and luggage factory with a keen attention to trends to keep up with the market demand. Currently, through 26 production lines, it is manufacturing world-class fashion bags, backpack and luggage with a monthly capacity of about 500,000 pieces. Debonair pursues the vision to mark this facility as the largest bag and luggage manufacturer in Bangladesh. Recognizing the pivotal role of its more than 22,000 workers behind its success, Debonair prioritizes its workforce with optimum care. All the local and international rules and conventions required for workplace compliance are strictly adhered to here. A Workers' Participation Committee is in place as well. Debonair's firefighting measures are of international standards. Debonair harvests rainwater in a pond and manages waste through ETP and STP, treating factory effluents biologically for gardening, toilet flushes and car wash. The group produces 1.3 megawatts of renewable energy with solar panels. It has set up exhaust gas boilers to lower carbon emissions. Debonair's CSR includes housing aid for the homeless, tree plantation programs, and riverbank preservation projects. Debonair strongly believe in working together, winning together. Debonair is extremely focused in satisfying its clients to the best possible manner and looking forward to maintaining a long-term relationship with its clients, confirming a win-win situation. Debonair stands out with world-class quality and efficiency, enabling to become the symbol of excellence in outerwear, home textile, and bag and luggage industries in Bangladesh. We are Debonair.